Welcome, everyone, to the October issue of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name's John McNamara, Highball Advisors. So, a lot going on here. Last September, Fed cut their rates. That's very encouraging. Bull continues to rally. And then in the railroad industry, CSX is getting a new boss. So, that's very interesting. Things should change in the class ones, no doubt about it. So, we'll have to see how that all lays out. This bum has a great whiteboard on how is your spouse affected by working a railroad retirement. Check out that video. Very important. What happens with the spousal annuity or she goes back to work. Mailbag. When can my 55-year-old wife start her railroad retirement survivor annuity in my past? I just like this video. I like when railroads are thinking about the estate planning aspect about that to see what happens. So check out that video. Very important. And then the checklist is what issues should I consider regarding changes to be made regarding the OBBEA Act, right? The One Big Beautiful Bill Act. So there are deductions or credits inside that tax bill. So you want to look at those for the entity. So check that out. And then the last one is the economic chart. Holding cash for road for in a road dying. And basically what that's talking about is people are just sitting in cash. Now, you just had cash underneath the mattress. Every year you're losing money as of inflation. Or in a bank account, 0.1% losing money. So just take a look at that video that you know. All right, railroaders. So listen, everybody have a safe October and look forward to seeing everybody in November. So next time, stay safe, stay on track, take care. So long, everybody. Bye.